What did you get, sweets?
A package.
A package. Look at this. First, it's a card.
What's that?
What's on the card?
Doggies.
Doggies. How many?
1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 8.
Alright.
Okay.
Oh, it says, Dear Emmy, our China doll, Papa and I love you so much. Hope you had a nice visit with your cousin in California. Welcome home. Thank you for the nice pictures we get from you. You are so special. God bless you all, Gigi and Papa.
Alright.
That's so nice.
Sweet. Here you go. It's a package.
Let's open it. Has a car on it.
There is a car in it.
Let's open it.
Can you
Is
pull
it
this?
gray?
Can you pull this? What is it?
I know.
You said it's a gray what? Pull this? Pull this? Okay, here, pull this. This piece here. This whole piece, yeah.
You might want to help her because my video might run.
Okay, sweet.
Sticky.
What's inside?
Okay, what's inside, baby? Can you look? What did you get?
Pull it. Whoa, what's that?
Here's the stick.
Whoa, Bundle, what's that?
Wow, pretty close, huh?
It says, Dear Emmy, I hope you like this color. I picked it for you. Love, Gigi and Papa.
Wow, what color is that, baby?
Blue.
Yeah, it's blue with stripes on it, huh? Can you say, thank you, Gigi and Papa?
Thank you, Gigi and Papa.
All right, say I love you.
I love you.